Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited about today's video because we're gonna be decluttering, cleaning out my closet, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'll show you guys my entire process of cleaning out my closet because I actually have not really done like a full-on closet clean out. Like we're gonna be going through my shoes, my clothes, my accessories, everything like that. I'm gonna take you along with me and share my entire process. This is kind of like a little organizational series if you want to follow along with me. And so this is kind of gonna be in like 2 to 3 parts. So today's video is going to be all about just decluttering and getting rid of anything. It doesn't even have to be in your closet. This goes for really anything that you want to organize, whether it's like your pantry or your bathroom or just anything you want to organize. You kind of have to declutter everything that you don't need or don't use anymore. You need to get rid of that first. And then in the second video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I'm gonna like reorganize everything and make everything a lot more like efficient with space and everything like that. So I'm gonna be making like different piles, like donation pile, like items I want to resell that are a little bit more expensive. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more organizational videos. So I think that's all I have to say. So let's get cleaning. So before I get into the actual process of decluttering my closet, I wanted to go through a few tips with you guys just to share that I've learned just throughout the years of decluttering out my closet and really just anything. I always ask myself these specific questions, and that really helps me just easily decide whether I want to keep it or not. So the first question that I always ask myself is, have I worn it, like say within a year's time span? If I have not worn that piece of clothing or that accessory or that handbag or the pair of shoes, then it's time to get rid of it. The second question I always ask myself is, does it fit me correctly? Does it feel comfortable? Does it make me feel good when I wear it? If I say no to 2 out of those 3 questions within that, question, is it like makes me overall feel good, then it's time to get rid of it. Especially if it's like a cheaper item and it's just really not that comfortable. I find it's just better to get rid of it because you're really just not gonna reach for it. It's just taking up space in your closet and gets in the way of things that you would want to wear. So that's how I find it's just better to get rid of it. Also, my third tip is just trying on items in your closet, especially pants. Like jeans for me, I always, whenever I like go through a season, I just try them all on just to make sure. I know it's like a process to try on all the pants and it's kind of annoying, but if you have not worn them, especially in some time, a few months, it may fit differently on you and you may not love how they fit anymore. So that'll me know like for the next season personally, like then what I need, like I need a new pair of jeans or a pair of jean shorts. Then a few tips, if you decide you want to get rid of any of the pieces, there are lots of different ways that you could give it to someone else. First, you could donate it to someone in need. You could also consign the clothing. You could also sell it on eBay, which I've done in the past. So you could even like kind of make some money if you spent a little bit more on the item. I usually do that for items that I've like over $50. And then my very, very last tip overall, because I know this whole process can become very overwhelming and very time consuming, especially if you have not cleaned out your closet in quite some time. So I recommend doing it in 2 days. So what I would do in the first part or the first day would just be to what I'm doing today, declutter everything. So I'm just gonna go through everything today and just like say, do I want it? Do I not? I'm gonna show you my process and what I'm gonna be getting rid of. So let's get started and have fun with it. You can even play some music. So let's get started. Okay, so I wanna start off by saying I have not touched anything like on my closet shelves. Like I, for weeks now, have been knowing I wanna do this clean out and I really just didn't keep up with like keeping it super tidy and like organized. It's not that bad, but like you could see like in this clear thing, like my pajamas are overflowing. Even like these sweaters over here, they're not even folded cutely. I just like threw them on the shelf and we just have to like tidy everything up. I have hats up there. So I'll give you an overview. So up here, I just have random stuff. That's pretty much fine. And then I have hats here, a lot of like winter shoes, like a lot of over the knee boots on this top shelf, mix of pumps and some more boots, some bags, my sweaters, as I said, jeans, and like all kinds of pants. And then we have some more shoes here, which I'll show you in depth. And then this center thing, which I kind of want to redo and redecorate. And then this looks like a very lonely shelf, so I'm thinking I'm gonna mix all these bags together. And then, yeah, there's that. And then these bins, like the middle one doesn't even have anything in it. And one has like swimsuits and another one has like cozy socks for winter. So I have to figure that out. Go through all these clothes. These clothes have been out for quite some time and I have not like gone through them really much. And then this drawer, I got these like dividers since my last closet tour. It's organized to me, even though it's like organized chaos. Be going through the denim drawer, and oh my gosh, I'm scared of this drawer. I could barely open it because it's so heavy. It's a combination of like dance leotards, workout leggings, sweatpants, and this used to be so organized, but I like combined the bottom drawer, which I'm going to show you, which is another like, oh my gosh moment. So I wanted this drawer for sweaters, which I can't even open because it's stuffed. So I'm going to have to, you know, go through these and probably gonna put some of these sweaters into these drawers, which I said I'm gonna take that stuff out and move it into my bedroom. So that's the plan for right now. Okay, let's start off with these shoes because I feel like shoes are pretty easy for me. So definitely, I love these leopard boots. Those are gonna stay. Oh, I just caught a glimpse of a pair that I think I'm gonna get rid of. Just because I have not. The first question I asked, did I wear this in over a year? And I did not even wear these in over a year. I didn't reach for them. I don't know why, but because I have not, I'm gonna get rid of them. I'd rather just give them to someone who would love wearing them. And then I kind of just like make piles on the floor of like sell, donate, like garbage, which I don't really think I have much garbage. All these over-knee boots here are pretty much from this year, so those are good. I think pumps back here. So these Steve Madden gray pumps, have not worn these in over a year. So I have plenty of pumps, and I feel like maybe because it's gray, maybe I don't gravitate towards it as much, even though they are super cute. I remember doing a blog shoot in these. I love the way they look, but I just don't reach for them. I haven't reached for them in over a year. And as far as bags, I think I'm gonna actually sell this one. This Rebecca Minkoff bag. I don't know, it's not that I don't love it, I just didn't reach for it as much as I would have liked to have. So I'll definitely, I'm definitely gonna sell this one. Okay, then the sweater sack. This one I have not. I've had maybe for a year now and I haven't reached for it again. I just have so many, as you could tell, that sweater drawer. Like I have so many sweaters. Let's see, this one is a new one. I got this one for Christmas and I love it so much. Free People. So cute. I'm gonna have to refold this pile, so I don't even care how I put this back right now. Okay, sorry, my memory card ran out of space, so I had to go switch that out. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna get rid of this pink sweater, and then I'm going to, let's see, this one I do like, and I need to wear more. This one I recently got from Target. Now this mess is like driving me crazy. Okay, so this one I have not really worn much. It's kind of pilled because I probably wore it though last year like so much, I remember. Okay, so this is gonna be the pile for now because I kind of want to go through my other sweaters later and decide for the next video. And then pajamas, we have to go through these. I'm just gonna probably go through them myself. I'm actually gonna come back to the pajamas. I already know my bras and underwear, they are going to, they're just gonna move over to my other dresser. And now we're in the middle here. There's really not a lot in the middle, I feel like, that I'm gonna get rid of. I don't know if you can see. You saw my Louis Vuitton favorite bag. Here, I'll show you guys. Right here. That's definitely cute because it's so sentimental to me. This Kate Spade bag, I love. It's like, I don't have anything like it. I think it's so cute. And then this bag is like one of my summer bags, so that's gonna stay. And then as far as here, that's gonna be more for the organizational video. I think the jewelry is the main thing for me that I kind of really want to redo. Okay, we're back to the shoes. I'm just a little closer up so you guys can see everything. I don't feel like there's really any in here that I'm gonna get rid of. Even down here, I don't think there's anything. And then we have some sneakers down here. Here, I'm thinking, you know what? I'm thinking I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm thinking I'm gonna get rid of these red flats. I got these from J. Crew. I want to say maybe 2 years ago. They're really cute, but I mean, I just don't feel like they're like my style. I don't know if I love them as much anymore. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm dreading this drawer, to be honest. But a lot of these are recent sweaters. So, I mean, I still have other sweaters in my bedroom. But even I have this other rack in this closet room of stuff that I need to Instagram. But that's a keep. I just recently got this one too. I need to wear that. That's why I don't like these drawers jammed up, because I don't see what I have.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be.
Okay, I don't know if you can see me. I just put my vlog camera on a tripod. And what I'm gonna do is just basically fold all these up just so that they're not in the way.
Expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
So I'm gonna go through some sweatpants. I got these recently from Urban, so those are definitely a keep. These are like one of my go-to pants. These I'm gonna get rid of because they are just getting really worn. I wear these a lot and they're just to the point where they just don't look that new, and I have so many different pairs, so I'm gonna get rid of those. These are my Taylor Swift Rep joggers, so of course I'm keeping those. Let's see, I have these Victoria's Secret pink. I love just wearing these around like when I just want to change out of my like regular clothes, you know what I mean, and just I like these kinds of pants.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have.
Okay, this closet across, I'm going to show you guys really quick because there's really not a whole lot that I am going to, you know, go through, because I recently actually did this whole section here for my winter accessories. Like in these two bins, I just have to reorganize it and make it look prettier. It's like at times I'm in a rush and I have to throw scarves in these bins, but I usually have them like rolled up in there. And then I have like winter beanies on the second two, and the third area is like either lots of, you know, over the knee socks or like cozy slippers, or like on the right bin I have like mittens and like gloves. And then over here I just have like my hunter boots and then like snow boots. And then I still have like a lot of different skirts over here that I know I want to keep and I just recently went through. So this is like all skirts. And then this is like, I call it like my everyday area here, and a lot of my everyday stuff is in this section. And I have lots of cardigans in this area here. I'll kind of go in more depth though, like when I do the closet tour, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is kind of a disaster. I have to just go through these boxes right here. Just lots of random stuff that I want to keep, but don't know what to do with. So I have two straw baskets up there too, like beach bags. Then here's the other closet that's right next to it. So this is all my closet room. This is more like dressier things or like summery spring things right now. Like I have, like I said, I have all these spring shoes, which I want them like on like either this shelf. I'll probably put those spring shoes. I want to put them up there. So that's why I kind of want to rearrange everything. So you'll be seeing that in the next video. This closet again is so random. I feel like a lot of these things are just like storage closets too. Like I have a lot of my, a little tip if you guys don't know this already, you could wrap things in like little plastic bags, like garment bags that you get like when you order something online. I just like put all my hats into one of them, and then they're like dust free, keeps the dust off of them. Up here I have packing cubes and like jewelry cases and travel stuff, my luggage. And then yeah, as I said, I have to go through this. Let's kind of go through it together. Let's see, this white blouse I have not really worn, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Denim jackets are a must. A lot of this stuff is pretty new, so I don't think I'm gonna have much to go through. This, I think I'm gonna get rid of. And love that tank. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get rid of this olive green. I just don't really reach for it, so we're gonna get rid of this tee. I remember wearing this at New York Fashion Week. This I remember I wore on the beach for 4th of July time, like around that time. Do clothes for you guys like bring back lots of memories? Like for me, a lot of times they do. This I'd love for 4th of July. What is this? A cover up. A lot of this just has to be reorganized. Oh my gosh, this is from the Taylor Swift concert I went to over the summer. It's a 2-piece set and I love it and I won't get rid of it. I definitely want to make more use out of it because I only wore it for the concert this summer and I want to, you know, make more use out of it. These dresses are super cute. They're more like fall. This I wanted to wear apple picking, but like for an apple picking photo, but I never got around to it. These are all pretty good. I love these. Oh, I love this. I wore this on vacation. I think maybe I could get rid of this one. This is from Loft. I got it like 2 years ago. I think it was in New York City actually. It's like a crinkled velvet dress. I remember I wore this near like Radio City to take pictures in. It's really cute, but I didn't wear it this holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed this first part to my organizational like closet series. It feels so good to just clean things out, especially in the new year. You just have a fresh start, clear mind. Just helps your day go a lot smoother. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you're following along and doing this with me, let me know like on Instagram or in the comment section below. We could do this together and get all organized for the new year. So I love you guys so much. That's it for today's video and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye.